Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sillycoin. Now the Sillycoin is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Sillycoin is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a max total supply of 100 million Silycoins. So far they have 1,233 holders. And there is 18 decimal places on this token. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Silly Community, and they have 12,282 members. That's a great place to chat about this token. This is the community Telegram, and they have 223 people online right now. So if you want to learn about the project, that's a great place. Now this token here, it says Sillycoin is the smartest dinosaur in the universe, also known as the Silly Dinosaur, but also the most reliable artificial intelligence assistant in the crypto space. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 7th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Sillycoin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then you would search. So they have the ticker symbol different here. You would search Sillycoin, but only with one L. And then simply just buy the token. And this is because there is already a Sillycoin or Silly token on Mexc Global prior to this, so they don't want people to get confused. They don't want to have the exact same ticker symbol. So on Mexc Global, the name of this token is Silys coin. And then the ticker symbol is Sily coin. So basically only one L. But in reality, when you go to their BSC scan, or probably everywhere else, there is two L's. So that is the difference. So the actual name is Sillycoin with two L's. But on Mexc Global, they've just removed one L when you search for it. Kind of confusing, but not really. So they do have a document section you can check out that has all the information. Docs.sillycoin.live. It says, "Hi, I'm Sillycoin, the smartest dinosaur in the universe, and not just a meme. I'm a reliable AI assistant in the crypto space. I run based on ChatGPT and a vertical industry language library in the crypto space, which enables me to accurately extract effective information from a database of up to billions of items through an artificial intelligence system, and presented to users in an intuitive way. I am a trainable AI assistant that serves the entire crypto industry vertically. Sillycoin will be the most authoritative information and behavioral service terminal in the entire crypto space. Sillycoin presence eliminates the inaccuracy and incompleteness of traditional information acquisition methods and lowers the threshold for users to obtain information. The emergence of Sillycoin will completely change the way that crypto users obtain information and fundamentally break the cognitive barriers. So due to the universal enthusiasm brought on by ChatGPT, humans have begun to believe that collective human intelligence will be inferior to the artificial intelligence system we have built and deployed on a large scale by many orders of magnitude in our lifetime. This is not just an alarming task. Through AI is created by although AI is created by humans and runs based on program logic, it is often calmer, more objective, and highly neutral compared to humans. In a sense, AI is superior to humans. This also means that the impartiality judged by AI will be far higher than of humans and all search engines created by humans. So the blockchain space, with the core value of decentralization, needs research, judgment, and analysis of high neutrality under AI judgment more than any other industry. So Silycoin was born under the strong demand for this market, and we can understand Silycoin as a tamed AI assistant serving the entire cryptocurrency industry. It will be the most authoritative information and behavioral service terminal in the entire cryptocurrency space. So it's revolutionizing social platforms such as communities and Twitter, data inclusion websites such as CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, active searching by search engines such as Google. Now the tokenomics on here pretty much went over except for the token allocation. So 70% of the tokens go to staking and staking mining, and they are released over 7 years. 20% liquidity pool, and 10% marketing, airdrops, early supporters, rewards. And so there is a roadmap on here starting with login methods and basic functions and advanced functions, and then they give function examples. Then they're going to come out with the phase-based functions, so like can obtain the latest news in the blockchain industry, real-time data on the chain, generate historical price trend charts, can automatically generate project analysis, research reports, project-related article, release channels, KOL, promotion timeline, etc. And then in phase 3, there's going to be more functions, can audit open source contract code, can write smart contract codes according to demands. And then phase 4 is the AI phase, where it can give you user risk tips, can help you deal with token trading demands. And then they give function examples for that. And yeah, so check this token out here. They have some socials you could check out. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there, at Silly Community, the Telegram I mentioned. Check out their webpage, sillycoin.live. You can find a full white paper over there. And you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.